Good evening, guys. I am Miss V, and I am welcoming you to my YouTube channel once again. Good evening, good night, good afternoon, wherever you are. I'm just introducing you to my fried fish. I love when my fish is fried dry, really dry. So I fried the fish dry. It's parrot fish, and there's another fish that I don't even know the name of it. Also, I had wanted to make some pine sauce, meaning the natural pine, as you can see. Sorry guys. The pines are here. These are the pines. I put some carrot in it. A little tomato, and some blended seasoning. There's also some sweet pepper in it as well. And it's very tasty, guys. This is what I wanted for my dinner today. It's dried fried fish with some pineapple carrot sauce. Natural carrot, natural pineapple. It's really some gravy then to eat to go along with the fish. So I call my gravy pineapple sauce, pineapple carrot sauce. So guys, this is what I cook to eat with the fish. I did some pumpkin rice. The dark substance that you see is scallion, and I also use a little chiffon butter in it. There's no salt in it. That's pumpkin rice with scallion. The fish are so dry and nice, and this is what I'm gonna eat for my dinner. As you all know, today is Easter Monday, and this is what I'm gonna consume for my dinner. Guys, I'm gonna show you the dish that I'm gonna prepare for myself. So guys, this is my dinner for today. It's fried fish with pineapple sauce, a few salads, lettuce, tomato, and cucumber. This is my dinner for today. Thank you guys for watching my video, and thank you for sharing. Thank you for subscribing. I'll be preparing more and better videos in the days to come. Thank you again, guys. I am Miss V, and I'm out.